Hey everyone, are you ready to transform your financial future? Because today, we're diving into some powerful habits that can make a huge difference in your financial life. In this video, I'm going to share 5 key money habits that can help you build wealth, achieve financial independence, and set yourself up for long-term success. These habits are simple, yet incredibly effective. Let's dive in. First up, pay yourself first. This means making sure you save or invest a portion of your income before spending on anything else. It's about prioritizing your future self over immediate wants. By automatically setting aside money for savings or investments, you're ensuring that your financial future is always a priority. Automation makes it easier to stick to this habit without having to think about it every month. Next, we have creating a purposeful budget. A budget isn't just about tracking expenses, it's about intentional spending. It's a tool that helps you align your spending with your values and goals. You need to know where your money is going and direct it toward your goals. This way, you can cut out unnecessary expenses and focus on what truly matters to you. Whether it's for saving, investing, or planning for something big, your budget should reflect your dreams. It's your roadmap to financial success. Habit 3 is investing smartly. Investing doesn't have to be complicated or only for the wealthy. It's about making your money work for you, even if you start small. Start with small contributions to retirement accounts, stocks, or mutual funds. Consistency is key, and over time, these small investments can grow significantly. The key is to start early, and as your money grows over time, so does your financial security. Compound interest is a powerful tool that can help you build wealth. The 4th habit is to build and maintain strong credit. Your credit score is a key factor in your financial life. It impacts everything from getting loans to renting an apartment. A good credit score can save you money in the long run. Pay bills on time, reduce your credit card balances, and regularly check your credit report to keep your score in top shape. These actions will help you maintain a healthy credit profile. Finally, never stop learning about money. Continual financial education is essential. The financial world is always changing, and staying informed can help you make better decisions. Whether you're reading books, taking courses, or just keeping up with the latest trends, the more you know about personal finance, the better equipped you'll be to make smart money decisions. Knowledge is power when it comes to managing your finances. So there you have it, the 5 key money habits that will transform your financial future. Pay yourself first, budget with purpose, invest smartly, build strong credit, and always be learning. These habits are the foundation of a solid financial future. Start incorporating these habits today, and you'll be well on your way to financial freedom. Remember, it's never too late to start making positive changes in your financial life. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more money tips. Your financial journey is just beginning, and we're here to help you every step of the way.